I bought this off-brand MacBook Pro 15-inch 2015 battery on eBay for $49.99. Little did I know when I originally purchased it, it didn't have this picture up, it just had the battery. So it does come with the tools. I was very shocked and pleased, even if I already have a tool set that has the needed tools for a battery change. I am very cautious about this battery because there are a lot of off-brand batteries that can ruin MacBook Pros and can also ruin your logic board, so I'm hoping I do not run into this issue, but let's get this thing out and examine it closer. It feels heavy duty, and there don't seem to be any visible bulges on this off-brand battery. It also has a protective film. There is a note that you should remove the film after installing the battery in your MacBook, so we'll listen to that warning. On the back there's a pad that has all the sticky adhesive already pre-applied. I will now be removing the screws to remove the bottom plate. While I won't show the method of removing the battery, you can look up the Curiosity Collective for the easiest way to do it. Here is what the Apple official battery looked like in the Gazelle MacBook Pro 2015. You can see there's some visible wear on the padding or whatever. It looks like it got wet or expanded or punched or something. This is how the battery was when I got the MacBook from Gazelle.com. It would give inaccurate readings, and it would flip from 90% to 33% to 55%, and then it would shut down randomly at random points. Sometimes at 55%, sometimes at 21%. It was just completely random, even if the charger was plugged in. So that is why I need this replacement battery, and I hope it works. The old battery is now out. Now it's time to put in the replacement from eBay. There we go. Now time to reattach the trackpad cable. Done. Now time to put the bottom plate back on. Now time for the moment of truth. I really hope this battery works like it's supposed to. Awesome. The startup chime began, and there is the Apple logo. So far, so good. Alright. Awesome. And the battery is at 32 percentile. And my Wi-Fi still works as well, as does my keyboard. This is great. Success. Now let's see if the trackpad still works. Yep, everything was reconnected properly. Awesome. Time to calibrate this battery. I calibrated the battery 2 days ago, and it's been a success ever since. I've since charged the battery twice to 100% and used it all the way through and got 3 to 4 hours out of this battery. That may not sound like a lot, but it was that short because I was editing on iMovie, which is a huge power drainer for a MacBook Pro. So if I didn't use iMovie, I'd probably get 9 to 10 hours out of this battery, which is incredible.